Israel is facing a wave of attacks from Iran, with missiles and drones penetrating its defense systems and causing significant damage, a scenario that was rare in the past. This marks a dangerous escalation in the long-standing shadow war between the two nations. Iran has launched hundreds of missiles and drones in recent strikes, overwhelming Israel's multi-layered air defenses, including the Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow systems. While Israel has successfully intercepted many of these projectiles, the sheer volume of attacks means some are getting through, striking military sites, energy infrastructure, and even urban centers like Tel Aviv and Haifa, resulting in casualties and destruction, making you wonder if Israel can survive this without help from the U.S. And without the U.S. active assistance in missile defense, Israel must either find a way to adapt to Iran's overwhelming attack or risk sustaining damage that could alter the balance of power in the Middle East. The coming days will reveal whether Israel's technological edge can compensate for the absence of its most powerful ally. You guys know that in the past attacks during the Biden administration, the U.S. played a crucial role in assisting Israel's defenses. American forces stationed in the region, along with intelligence sharing and joint operations, helped neutralize a significant portion of incoming Iranian threats. But now under the current Trump administration, Israel appears to be largely on its own. Despite Iran's accusations that the U.S. is complicit in Israel's strikes, citing President Trump's public acknowledgement of support, Washington has not actively intervened to intercept Iranian missiles as it once did. This shift has left Israel to bear the full force and might of Iran's retaliatory fury without the same level of backup. Iran's strategy seems to be one of saturation, launching so many missiles and drones simultaneously that even the most advanced defense systems are strained. Reports indicate that while Israel's interceptors are highly effective, the cost and logistical challenges of maintaining such a high interception rate are unsustainable in prolonged warfare. Each Iranian attack forces Israel to expend valuable munitions, and with Tehran showing no signs of backing down, the question is whether Israel can endure this onslaught indefinitely without U.S. assistance. For years, Israel's defense systems were seen as nearly impenetrable, a shield that allowed the country to operate with relative security despite regional hostilities. Now, with Iranian missiles reaching their targets, that sense of invulnerability is eroding. If Iran continues to refine its tactics using decoys, low-flying drones, and precision-guided ballistic missiles, the damage could escalate, potentially forcing Israel into a more aggressive posture, including preemptive strikes or expanded military campaigns. If Israel cannot rely on the U.S. to help neutralize these threats, it may seek alternative strategies, such as deeper strikes inside Iran to degrade its missile capabilities at the source. But such a move risks triggering a wider regional war, drawing in Hezbollah, the Houthis, and other Iranian proxies. Meanwhile, Iran's allies, though weakened,